Hello and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to choose between MetaTrader 5 or Rithmic. And I want to make two things clear. The first thing is I won't tell you which application is better because both applications are great. I will tell you in today's video which application fits you the best. Then the second thing is I made more than 1,500 videos about crypto settings, indicators, whatever. And I will tell you with my experiences on both applications which fit you the best. So if I start right here with the main focus, MetaTrader 5 is the main focus on Forex and CFD trading, where the main focus on Rithmic is more on futures data executions. If I look right here to the best for, and with that I mean MetaTrader 5 is the best for retail traders and Rithmic for future traders. If you go right here to the trading tools, MetaTrader 5 has an extremely advanced trading tool and Rithmic requires third-party platforms. If you look to the interface, MetaTrader 5 has a full trading platform and Rithmic is not a standalone platform. And if you look right here to the fees and trading costs, MetaTrader 5 has a broker dependent cost, and that is exactly the same for Rithmic, but Rithmic has a data feed dependency also. So if I'm asking you, which one is better for you, Rithmic is more for data feed and order executions, and MetaTrader 5 is more for Forex, CFDs, and automated trading. So those are the most difference between those apps, I think. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Hopefully you can choose right now which application you want to choose. So let me know that in the comments. And then for now, thanks for watching and I wish you a very, very good day. Ciao.